Should you still file for a green card or citizenship with USCIS given ICE's arrest quotas and the fact that people are being detained at court, at school, and even at USCIS? Let's talk facts. Right now, we're seeing something unprecedented. Mass detentions of immigrants in places that were once considered to be safe. Work, school, court, and even while trying to fix their status. And yes, USCIS, the agency that adjudicates green cards, citizenship, and work permits, is actively working with ICE. Now, filing a case with USCIS while undocumented has always carried some sort of risk. That's not new. What is new is the level of aggression. Trump isn't just targeting people with criminal records. He's targeting people who are trying to do things the right way. So should you still file? The answer is it depends on your case. If you have no criminal history, if you've been here a long time, have strong family ties, or a clean immigration record, your risk may be a lot lower. But if you have a prior deportation order or serious immigration violations, or recent criminal history, or if you've been in the country for a very short period of time, your risk goes up. Ultimately, it's important to have a serious legal strategy before you file anything. And despite everything, many cases at USCIS are still being approved. Despite the rhetoric on USCIS's website being super crazy right now, it posted right here that it was celebrating Independence Day with various naturalization ceremonies for new US citizens. So yes, green cards, work permits, naturalization, DACA renewals, these cases are moving forward and the system is not fully frozen. But people are very reasonably nervous, and rightfully so. Because as we've seen, ICE is targeting people who are trying to fix their legal status. And that's just so wrong. But here are the tools that I give my clients right now, with the first one being get a full immigration background check through a Freedom of Information Act request. If you've had any encounters with immigration, it's really important to know what's in your file and what they have on you. Also, if you're somebody who's been ordered removed before, do not go to any USCIS biometrics or fingerprint appointment or interview unless you have a plan. It's really important to also keep copies of everything that you file with immigration and to actively track the status of your case. And despite everything, it's important to have an emergency plan, a list of family contacts, a power of attorney in the event that you're detained. And that's not to scare you, but it's just to be prepared. And ultimately, talk to a lawyer before filing anything. Do not rely on a notario or a friend who's been through the process. Now's the time to really make sure you do things the right way. So at this point, knowing the facts and having a good strategy is really important. And remember that every person's case is different. Don't assume what happened to someone else will happen to you. And don't give up on your case just because things are hard. For more immigration news and information, feel free to give us a follow.